Hello, hi everyone. I am your Badachi sir. Now I am going to teach you something about interrogative sentences. Dear students, first of all, let us see what's meant by interrogative sentences. See here, a sentence which asks a question is known as an interrogative sentence. For example, what's COVID-19? Second example, is it a pandemic? Third example, COVID-19 is an infectious disease, isn't it? Fourth example is, do you know how we should fight against this disease? And fifth example is, the schools will reopen in January? Yes. As far as the first example is concerned, what's COVID-19? This question or this example or this sentence has begun with WH word and ends with a question mark. See these sentences, all these 5 sentences end with question mark. Please remember, all the questions in English are called interrogative sentences. Questions are called interrogative sentences, in which I told you the first example is a question. This question has begun with WH word and ends with a question mark. This is what we call WH questions. Okay, see, WH questions are called informative questions. What are they called? They are called informative questions. Dear students, all the informative questions are also called direct questions. They are called direct questions. Okay, and second example, it's also a question, but what kind of question? Can you think? See, is it a pandemic? This question has begun with a helping verb and ends with a question mark. A question which begins with a helping verb and ends with a question mark is called yes-no type questions in English. Type 2 is yes-no type questions. Is it clear? And yes-no type questions are called what? Do you know? Confirmative questions. They are called confirmative questions. And even confirmative questions or yes-no type questions are called direct questions in English. Okay, now let's come to third example. Third example is very interesting. COVID-19 is an infectious disease, isn't it? See, COVID-19 is an infectious disease. This is a statement, but ends with a question. What kind of question? It's a short question which is used at the end of statement. This question is called tag question. Tag questions are also called tail questions. Why are they used? They are used to draw the attention of a listener or reader. Okay? Okay. Then let's come to fourth example. Do you know how we should fight against this disease? This is a question. Ends with a question mark. Begins with helping verb. Do you know how we should fight against this disease? There are 2 questions in the same question. That's why we call it a question in the question. And such questions are called indirect questions in English. Clear? First question begins with helping verb, and second part, how we should fight against this disease. WH word is there, and WH word is followed by assertive sentence or statements, but ends with question mark. What kind of question is it? It's called indirect questions. Indirect questions are politeful questions, can be used to ask strangers or seniors or higher officers. Okay? Next and the last question. The schools will reopen in January. The schools will reopen in January. Say, this is an assertive sentence but ends with question mark. Therefore, this type of questions are called assertive questions in English, and assertive questions are used only in spoken English, not in written English. Got it? Okay, dear students, you came to know there are 5 types of questions in English, types of interrogative sentences. How many types are there? There are 5 types of interrogative sentences. What are they? You came to know, first one is WH questions. Second one is yes no type questions. And third one is tag questions. And fourth one is indirect questions. And last one is assertive questions. Dear students, I hope you came to know something about interrogative sentences, their meaning, types and examples. If this video has helped you in understanding interrogative sentences in brief, please like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for all my upcoming videos. With one more interesting and useful video, I'd like to see you next time. Till then, bye.